Today's testimony in Los Angeles Angels pitcher Tyler Skaggs' overdose death trial centered on drug use among players and pills exchanging hands. Skaggs was in North Texas preparing to play the Rangers when his body was found in a South Lake hotel room. On trial, a former Angels employee accused of providing Skaggs with drugs. The court is closed to cameras, but Fox 4's Dion Anglin has been in the courtroom for testimony. Dion.
Well, the words spoken in this courtroom today likely to send a ripple effect throughout Major League Baseball. The jury here, though, will decide whether it has helped or hurt the case against Eric K.
4 big league baseball players testified in federal court Tuesday in Fort Worth. All described their connections to Tyler Skaggs, the man on trial, Eric K., and illegal drugs. Once teammate and former Angels pitcher Matt Harvey admitted to cocaine use dating back to his time with the New York Mets. He and Skaggs were friends, and their wives are friends. Defense attorney Michael Molfetta: when you got to California, you were still using cocaine? Harvey answered, yes. Molfetta: how often? Harvey: not a ton, here and there. Molfetta: is it fair to say you had an idea of the extent that Tyler Skaggs was doing opioids? Harvey: yes. Molfetta: you indicate one of your sources for Percocet was a hockey player. Harvey: correct. Molfetta: you indicated you tried oxycodone with Mr. Skaggs. Harvey answered, yes. Molfetta: where? Harvey: the clubhouse, the dugout. Christopher C.J. Cron, another Major League player, took the stand. Defense attorney Molfetta, under redirect, asked, how many times would you say Mr. K got you pills? Cron: if I had to guess, about 8 times, could be less. Molfetta: how many pills at most? Cron answered, 15 to 20. The judge interrupts and asks, is that 15 to 20 for the whole 8 times or each time? Cron answered, one time at most, it was 15 to 20 pills. Molfetta asked, do you have any idea who gave Tyler Skaggs the pills that killed him? Cron answered, no. 2 other players admitted drug use and testified that Eric K. provided them with drugs, including one-time Angels pitcher, now with the Phillies, Cam Bedrosian. Also, one-time Angels pitcher and current free agent Mike Morin. Near the end of the day, the government called Carly Skaggs, Tyler Skaggs' widow, to the stand. And under cross-examination, Molfetta asked, were you aware he was using oxycodone and Percocet and things of that nature on a fairly regular basis? Skaggs answered, no. Molfetta asked, had you known, would you have taken action? She answered, yes. Molfetta asked, did he have lots of injuries? She answered, he did. Molfetta: do you think that was stressful on him? She answered, yes. Molfetta: how so? Carly Skaggs replied, he wanted to be there for his teammates. He wanted to win ball games. When he was in pain, he couldn't perform to the best of his ability.
A medical pathologist also took the stand here today, testifying that although Skaggs had oxycodone in his system from earlier use, it was a fentanyl-laced pill he took minutes before lying down that was the main cause of his death. The question here, of course, did he get that pill from Eric K.?